She pull up, hop out, then she swerve. Do your two-step, your little catwalk, make it work. Make it work, Jill dance, make it work, strike a pose. Make it work, Jill dance, make it work, strike a pose.
I pull up, hop out, then I swerve. Do my two-step, my little catwalk, make it work. Make it work, Jill dance, make it work, strike a pose. Make it work, Jill dance, make it work, strike a pose.
Do your dance, girl, dance, do your dance, girl, dance. Is it me and you, or is you with your friends, girl?
Hey guys, and welcome back to Miss Shan's Shorty Recipes. Today's recipe is for a delightful brown sugar cookie that you will enjoy. Simple, quick, and easy, yet tasty at the same time. These are the ingredients that we'll be using today. There are not too many ingredients for this recipe, but the flavors are going to come together well to give you a delicious little cookie that might be your new favorite go-to cookie. Hopefully you guys are ready for today's recipe. If so, please go ahead and leave me a thumbs up. Also, drop me a comment down below. Share this video out. You know I appreciate that. And if you aren't subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and that bell so you can be notified of every time I drop a new video. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay fam, so here we have it. These are the delightful brown sugar cookies. This was a delicious and buttery cookie with a wonderful maple and cinnamon glaze on top. Definitely a delicious cookie you want to try. Hopefully you guys did enjoy today's recipe. If so, please go ahead and leave me that thumbs up. Also, drop me a comment down below. Let me know if you've ever tried brown sugar cookies before. Share this video out. Definitely appreciate that. And if you still haven't subscribed, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button and that bell so you can be notified every time I drop a new video. You guys take care and thanks for watching. Bye guys.